Guys, how you doing today? I'm teacher Orlando from Cheda English Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use to and enough. To and enough. When something is not satisfactory, we use to and enough. Cuando algo no es satisfactorio o no es suficiente, entonces utilizamos las palabras to and enough. Let's see these examples. Those houses are too small. Those houses are too small. Esas casas son demasiado pequeñas, o sea, no cumple con lo que estoy buscando. Or I can say, those houses aren't big enough. No son lo suficientemente grandes. I can say, that camera is too heavy. Demasiado pesada, right? Or I can say, the camera isn't light enough. Isn't light enough, que es lo contrario, the heavy, right? Now let's see some more specific examples with enough. Podemos utilizar enough acompañado de un sustantivo. For example, listen to this question. Is there enough salt in the soup? Is there enough salt? ¿Hay suficiente sal? Or I can say, we wanted to play football, but we didn't have enough players. No teníamos suficientes jugadores. Why don't you buy a car? You have enough money. So, come on, buy the car. También podemos utilizar un adjective plus enough. O sea, podemos utilizar primero un adjetivo y luego enough. Vamos a ver estos ejemplos. Do you want to go swimming? Do you want to go swimming? No, it isn't warm enough. It isn't warm enough. Or, can you hear the radio? Can you hear the radio? Is it loud enough? Is it loud enough? ¿Está lo suficientemente alto? Don't buy that coat. Don't buy that coat. It's nice, but it isn't long enough. Comparando, utilizamos enough seguido de un adjetivo, seguido de un sustantivo. For example, I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money to go to the party. I don't have enough time to do that. There aren't enough people here. O en el caso de el adjetivo, utilizamos primero el adjetivo, en este caso, tall enough, good enough, old enough, and so on. So remember, if you are not satisfied with something, you can use to and enough. That's it for today, guys. So I hope you have learned something in this topic. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Guys, now let's continue learning about the use of to. Vamos a aprender cómo utilizar to seguido de un adjective or an adverb. Okay, so let's see some examples here. Can you turn the radio down? Can you turn the radio down? It's too loud. It's too loud. Está demasiado alto. I can't work. I can't work. I'm too tired. I'm too tired. Okay, let's see more example. Okay, let's compare to and not enough. Okay, let's compare to and not enough. The hat is too big for him. It's too big. The radio is too loud. There's too much sugar in my coffee. I don't feel well. I ate too much. Demasiado. And en el caso de enough, podemos decir, the hat isn't big enough. The hat isn't big enough. The radio isn't loud enough. There's not enough sugar in my coffee. You're very thin. You don't eat enough. You don't eat enough. So remember, utilizamos enough, utilizamos to para expresar cuando no sentimos satisfacción por algo. Y también el caso de enough para decir que algo no es suficiente. Con to para expresar que algo es muy, 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 etc., etc. That's it for today, guys. So see you in the next video.